Sandeep never leaves any such offer which gives a chance to reduce the burden of home loan. As soon as Sandeep came to know about the Standard Chartered Bank's interest-only home loan, he started doing his calculation. If an offer gives you freedom to reduce your principal payment of 2 to 3 years, then it will reduce the burden of EMI on your pocket. But how come the banks are giving such an offer?
People like Sandeep see the immediate benefits that they can reap off from these type of loan schemes. But you will have to consider the long-term implications of these type of loans. Not only Standard Chartered Bank, almost all the other banks are extending this kind of offer to the customers. Only thing is that these offers are being extended under different names. These offers may differ in features, but the bottom line remains that the customers get flexibility in loan repayment. Currently, SBI is extending a similar plan in the name of SBI Max Gain. HDFC Limited offers step-up repayment facility and telescopic repayment plans.
Every bank decides the loan amount based on the FOIR of the customer. FOIR, that is, Fixed Obligation to Income Ratio, reveals customer's financial responsibility in proportion to his earnings. On the basis of this ratio, banks decide that how much loan amount will be sanctioned.
Based on Sandeep's current salary, he can get a loan of Rs 60 lakh for a tenure of 20 years. On the interest of 6.75%, his EMI will come to be 45,621 rupees. But Sandeep wants a larger size of a loan. But his salary isn't this much. In such a situation, if the bank increases the loan amount to 81 lakh rupees, then the installment will be 61,000 rupees. But if he opts for interest-only home loan, then the installment will come to be rupees 45,562. He is eligible for a loan amount of rupees 60 lakh, but he is getting a loan amount of rupees 81 lakh. And his EMI will be calculated on rupees 60 lakh only.
SEBI registered financial advisor Harsh Rangta says that this type of loan is suitable for those who wants to take larger size loans over and above their eligibility. He is confident that the income of people will increase in the future, and going forward, he will be able to pay higher EMI. Initially, the EMI burden may seem lower, but the principal amount remains the same. When the repayment of principal will start, you will also pay interest on it. If we combine these two, then the EMI will be higher. And not only this, it also increases the tenure of the loan.
Let's try to comprehend this with another example. The first option you have is that you opt for a home loan of rupees 40 lakh for a tenure of 15 years at 7% interest rate. The second option is that you opt for a loan at an interest rate of 7% for a total tenure of 18 years. But you are only required to pay the interest for 3 years. If you opt for the second option, then you will have to pay an additional interest of rupees 8.4 lakh when compared to the first one.
Money9 suggests, pay only interest at the beginning of your home loan. Pay the principal amount later. Such schemes bring music to your ears, but this is just a teaser to entice the customers. Take a large size loans like that of a home loan as per your repayment capacity. Such types of teasers increases the tenure of the home loan, and the financial burden also amplifies. Try to keep the loan repayment tenure as short as possible.